Hello Bacha Party, welcome back to my channel. I am Yamin Dasaria, your science teacher. Today we are going to start with the chapter 6, that is changes around us. This is part 1 of chapter 6. In part 1 we are going to study about what is change, what are reversible changes and what are irreversible changes. Okay? Bacha Party, before starting the chapter, I wanted to tell you this is the simplest chapter of Standard 6 Science. As the name suggests, changes around us. Entire chapter is related to changes which are occurring around us. Okay? So, let's start with the first topic, that is what is change. In our day-to-day life, we experience many changes around us, whether we observe or not. But in scientific word or in proper manner, what is change? Change mean to make difference in state, size, shape, color or condition of things or object. That means if the object changes its size, shape, color, state or condition, then we can say that that particular object or thing is changing. Simple. And for your knowledge, I want to tell you that the changes are of two types. One is physical change and another one is chemical change. The change which can be seen, which is physical, such as the change in shape, the change in size, the change in color. All these changes are visible. These are nothing but physical change. And when the change in chemical properties occur, that changes are chemical changes. So this is not given in your textbook. So just remember or make a note of it. Okay, Bacha Party? So let's assume that you get some magical powers to change things around you. So what are the things that you would like to change? Can you make the list for me that you want to change? Please pause the video and make list of any 3 things that you want to change. Whether it's color, whether it's size, whether it's shape, list down any 3 things that you want to change. You can pause the video now, bacha. I hope all of you have written 3 things that you want to change. And apart from the things that you have written, many changes are taking place around us by their own. Such as in the fields, the crop changes from time to time. As you know, initially they are very small, and as the time goes, they become very big, isn't it? Sometimes leaves fall from trees and changes their color as they dry out. As you know, when leaves fall from the tree, they are green, and as they dry out, they lose their color. Isn't it, students? And there are many changes that are happening to our body. As you know, your nails grow continuously, your hair grows continuously, you grow taller and taller day by day, and as you grow, your weight also start to increase. So these are nothing but changes which we experience in our day-to-day life, but we don't observe. As I said earlier, science is nothing but everything around you. You need to just observe. And they have written this all thing in scientific words. That's it. Okay, Bacha Party? The next topic is reversible changes. So, what is reversible changes? As the name suggests, changes which can be reversed to their original form are called reversible. That means if we change something and that change can be reversed, then we can say that that change is reversible change. Let's take an example. Take a balloon and blow it. Take care that it does not get burst. Okay? So as you blow the balloon, the shape and the size of the balloon change. Okay, and now let the air escape the balloon. Let's take another example. Take a piece of paper and fold it as shown in figure number 6.2. Now you can change the sheet of paper into a aeroplane toy. So you can play with that aeroplane. After you get tired of playing with that aeroplane, just unfold the paper again. Okay? Now let's take a last example. You want to make a roti. So let's take a dough and make a ball, and out of which try to roll out a roti. At the first try, you won't be able to make that particular round roti. Okay? So change it back into the ball of dough again. Now bacha party, I want you to pay attention here. As you have observed in all the three activity, that changes are taken place in the activity of balloon, in the activity of paper, and in the activity of dough. So from that changes, what do you conclude? In each of the three activity, it is possible to get back to the material with which we started our activity. In the first activity, we started with the balloon, and at the end we get the balloon itself. In the second activity, we got the paper after unfolding it. And in the last activity, we got our ball of dough after the making roti. Okay? So we can say that we are getting the original form of the substance or material after the changes taking place, and that is nothing but reversible change. Okay, that means the change occurring in these activities can be reversed. So we have already studied it is nothing but a reversible change. I hope now you are clear with the concept of reversible change. A reversible change is nothing but change that can be reversed to their original form. It is known as reversible change. Okay, bacha party? Now the last topic of today's part, that is irreversible change. Irreversible change is exactly opposite of reversible change. So what is it? A change which cannot be reversed are called irreversible change. As the name suggests, if we make changes to any object or thing, that change cannot be reversed. That is irreversible change. Is it simple? Okay? Now to understand this irreversible change, we have to perform some activities. You have to take the same balloon which you have used in activity 1, but now blow that balloon to its full size. Okay, and try to burst using your pencil nib. Okay, now let's take another activity in which you have to use that same piece of paper that you have used in activity 2 and draw aeroplane as shown in figure number 6.4 and cut it out using the scissor. Okay, and for the last activity we have to use roti of activity 3 and bake it on the tawa. So here in three activities, the changes that are occurred are not reversible. These changes cannot be reversed. We cannot make a ball of dough from the baked roti. We cannot make up same paper from the cutting aeroplane, and we cannot make a same balloon from the bursted balloon. So these changes which cannot be reversed are known as irreversible changes. I hope now you are clear with the concept of reversible and irreversible changes. Okay, bacha party? To understand it better, in your textbook they have given us more example, such as you use a pencil and an eraser. With the repeated use, their shape and size changes. These are the example of irreversible changes. We cannot reverse size and shape of pencil and eraser to its original form. Okay, Bacha Party. Now the task time. The task 1 of chapter 6. Here in table number 6.1, some common changes are given. You have to just identify whether these changes are reversible or irreversible. For example, the first one, raw egg to boiled egg. When we convert raw egg into boiled egg, that is irreversible. We cannot get raw egg from boiled egg. Therefore, it is irreversible change. Second, a batter to idli. When we make idli from that kheera, okay, can we get kheera again? No. So, this is also a irreversible change. In this way, you have to complete entire table 6.1 to show that whether the change can be reversed or not. You have to just write yes or no in the table. With this, we have completed the part 1 of chapter 6. I hope all of you are clear with all the concept of this part, and if anyone has any doubt, please comment down below or message me. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next part. Till then, take care. Bye bye.